everyone, welcome back to the Health World, your space for natural health tips, simple remedies, and wellness wisdoms that truly works. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join our growing family where we unlock natural ways to heal, balance, and live better every single day. Today's topic is something that so many people, especially women, struggling with hormone imbalance, whether it's PCOD, thyroid issue, irregular periods, mood swings, weight gain, or just feeling off. Hormones imbalance make life really tough, but the good news is you don't always need expensive medicines or complicated treatments to bring your hormones back into balance. In this video, I will share powerful natural home remedies and lifestyles change that have worked wonders of 1,000 people. These are easy, affordable, and something you can start right at home today. So, stay with me till the end because even one of these tips can change your life. Alright, let's dive straight into it. Remedy 1. Start your day with warm water plus flax seeds. One of the best things you can do for PCOS and thyroid is flax seeds. This helps balance estrogen levels, reduce unwanted hair growth, improve skin, and even supports weight loss. Just soak 1 tablespoon of flax seeds overnight in a glass of water and drink it first thing in the morning. It helps regulate your cycle naturally and improves digestion too. Simple but effective. Remedy 2. 20 minutes of movement daily. Now, I know many people think exercise means hardcore gym, but honestly, 20 minutes of walking, yoga, or simple home workouts are most enough to balance your hormones. Especially for PCOS, yoga poses like butterfly pose, cat cow, and bridge pose works wonders for ovaries and thyroid health. Consistency is the key here. Just 20 minutes daily can regulate your cycle, boost metabolism, and reduce stress hormones like cortisol. Remedy 3. Spearmint tea for PCOS. This is one of my favorite remedy. Spearmint tea is scientifically proven to reduce excess of androgen, which is male hormone, which means it helps with facial hair, acne, and irregular cycles. Boil a teaspoon of leaves in a water, sip it warm once or twice a day. It's calming, soothing, and within a few weeks, many women notice clear skin and more regular cycle. Remedy 4. Lemon water with a pinch of cardamom. Thyroid and PCOS are both linked to insulin resistance, meaning your body is struggling to manage sugar properly. Starting your morning with warm lemon water and a pinch of cardamom powder helps regulate blood sugar and improves insulin sensitivity. This small habit keeps energy stable, reduces cravings, and supports fat loss too. Remedy 5. Coconut oil for thyroid health. If you are struggling with hypothyroidism, sluggishness, hair fall, weight gain, then cold pressed virgin coconut oil can help. It nourishes the thyroid gland, boosts metabolism, and provides healthy fats that your hormones needed. You can use 1 teaspoon in the warm water in the morning or add it while cooking. Many people see better energy levels and reduce hair fall with this. Remedy 6. Include seeds in your diet. The seeds cycling method. Have you heard of seed cycling? It's a natural way to balance hormones using everyday seeds. From day 1 to 14 of your cycle, the flax seeds plus pumpkin seeds. From day 1 to 28, sesame seeds plus sunflower seeds. These seeds provide essential fatty acids, zinc, and magnesium that supports estrogen and progesterone balance. It's one of the simplest, cheapest, and most powerful remedy for PCOS and irregular cycles. Remedy 7. Fix your sleep schedule. This might sound basic, but trust me, poor sleep is one of the biggest trigger of hormones imbalance. When you sleep late, your cortisol levels rises and your thyroid and reproductive organs go out of the balance. Try sleeping for 10:30 p.m. and ensure at least 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep. You'll notice better mood, less stress, and even improved skin and weight management. Remedy 8. Balance your diet and cut out the hidden villains. Now here is a big one. Diet. Avoid processed foods, white sugar, Fried snacks and excess dairy, these are the biggest culprits behind hormone imbalances. Instead, load up with green veggies, nuts, seeds, fresh fruits, whole grains, protein-rich foods like lentils and eggs. Even small change like replacing white rice with brown rice or millets, or replacing chips with roasted chana can make your massive difference in your hormones. Remedy 9. Manage stress, the silent hormone killers. And lastly, stress management. No remedy will work if your stress hormones are high. Cortisol directly blocks reproductive hormones and slows thyroid functions. Simply practice like deep breathing, meditation, listening to calm music, journeying, or even just 10 minutes of silent daily can help restart your hormones. It does not have to be complicated, but find what you make feel peaceful and do it daily. So, there you have it, 9 natural and powerful home remedies for hormone imbalances, PCOD, and thyroid. The best part, they were all simple, affordable, and proven to bring results if you are stay consistency. Remember, small changes every day leads to a big transformation over time. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. It really motivates me to create more such contents for you. And of course, subscribe the Health World for more natural remedies, home hacks, and wellness wisdoms every single week. Until next time, take care of yourself, stay balanced, and keep your health closer to your heart. I will see you in the next video. Stay balanced, stay healthy.